Welcome to our tutorial on connecting Python to a MySQL database. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to establish this connection using the MySQL Connector Python API. If you want to build an application, you need a programming language to write the application logic and a database to store data. Therefore, connecting the programming language to the database is mandatory. We use APIs to facilitate this connection. MySQL Connector Python is an API that connects Python with MySQL. Python supports various database servers like MySQL, PostgreSQL, Microsoft SQL Server 2000, Oracle, and more. Let's check what happens if we haven't installed the MySQL connector. Open Visual Studio Code and create a Python file. Save it with a .py extension, for example, python-mysql-connectivity.py. Try to import the API using the command import mysql.connector. If the mysql.connector module is not installed for your Python version, you'll encounter an import error. So, let's install the MySQL connector. Open your terminal or command prompt and execute the command. Pip install MySQL Connector Python. Press Enter to execute the command. We have successfully installed the MySQL connector. Now, let's recheck what happens. Rerun the program. The program executed without any error. To establish a connection, we need a database. Open the MySQL command line and create a database. Provide the MySQL password. And then create a database named db_for_python. Use the database. Now we have a database, and we can establish the connection. Use the connect method to open a connection to your database. This constructor creates a connection to the MySQL server and returns a MySQL connection object. The password parameter specifies the password associated with the MySQL username. Replace with the actual password for the given username. The host parameter specifies the hostname or IP address of the MySQL server you want to connect to. Localhost indicates that the MySQL server is running on the same machine as your Python script. The database parameter specifies the name of the database you want to connect to. In this case, db_for_python is the name of the database we created earlier. Next, create a cursor object. A cursor allows Python code to execute database commands within a session. Cursors are created using the connection.cursor method. Now that we have created the cursor object, we can execute SQL queries in the upcoming video. Thank you.